The Azura Shrine north of town, up Lake Arius Way, for instance. I know a dark elf there. Nothing evil about him.
Side quest! That appears to just be a pit.
Shit.
What is it, associate?
It's you. Hi.
What the fuck is that supposed to mean? Ah!
Hello there.
Oh there.
Oh, it's you.
What the fuck?
Blades, dark times are upon us. The Emperor and his sons were slain on our watch.
You must be from the Fighters Guild. Good, I have a problem. It has to do with the rats in my basement. That's right. Rats in my basement. And something has been killing them. It's horrible. My poor babies. You must do something. I don't know what I'd do without them. Their little pink noses, their scaly little tails. Please get to the basement and find out what's happening. Please save my little rats.
I am literally speechless right now. Alright, it's time to do a little alchemy.
Hello there.
Hello there!
I think that'll be all of them. Can't imagine more in this area. You can go tell Arvena this is all taken care of. Good hunting.
It was me. I did the work. I could have fucking done that. I didn't need this idiot. I didn't need this guy taking half the credit. Fuck him.
I'll bet it's that quill weave next door.
It's Trix! That's Quillweave. There she is. Journalist extraordinaire. The fuck is she doing? Holy shit! It actually is the house from prequel. This is the spot where fucking Katia got dicked down by a fucking orc. Yeah, I know who did that. Really, I feel like a kid in a candy store. What in the fuck? The fuck is this?
And give it to those bastards good.
Fucking phrasing. These do not appear to be fitting. Man, this castle is extremely depressing. There's just this massive liminal space thing going on. You know, I think I see why the previous lord got killed in battle. I don't know for certain, but I think I suspect. I think I suspect that I've discovered the issue. Zook, said Empress Tavia, I'm bored. Let's discuss methods of assassinating my husband today. This is so long. Fuck this.
I'll lead. We'll show them.
Take that! Die! Die!
You treacherous little filth.
The power of Vivek compels you!
Without a champion, the gods are powerless to act. But who among us is worthy to
God damn
wield
it.
the divine?
Okay, new plan. I'm not going that way. The easiest way to handle a mountain lion attack is to not be there when the mountain lion attacks. This is the best potion I can come up with. The alchemical expertise.
Who? Why? Are you... time is it?
This is actually, that's actually what happens. When people stop worshipping Vivek, they become alcoholics.
Go take your break.
About
My feet are killing me. I'm here to relieve you.
100% difficulty is, yeah, you should not start there. Just what I did. I started at 100%. Because I was like, oh, this is like... I've played all of these games. I'm good at these games. Elder Scrolls? I've read those. But how could I have been so blind?
Have you heard about the Fighters Guild?
Yes.
Have you heard any word about the other provinces?
The lot of us got jumped by a bunch of ogres. Partial to pretty gems, it seems. I'm the only one that survived. If you want the stone, head to Cedar. I've told... It's not far from here. Go ahead, I don't care.
Poor kitty. I've never felt compassion for Khajiit before. I'm one of those people that, like, never reached a point where I started finding katanas to be cringe. I think they're still cool. I guess that's because I never watch anime, so, like... Home of Padme Chim. What? Those who know can reshape the land. Witness the home of the Red King once jungled. He that enters paradise shall enters his own mother. What?
This just might be the break we've been looking for. Good work. Need to get that fourth book, then. If Tarmina is right, we can use these books to locate the Mythic Dawn's hidden shrine. Let's go. I know that part of the sewers well.
Why do you know any part of the sewers well?
Follow me. I know how to get to the part.
I'm an expert on these sewers.